Does competition and comparison bother you? Do you feel there's lots of competition in the market, in your job, in your relationship, even with the siblings or with a partner? There's comparison. He loves me more, or he loves him or her more, and I don't get enough. The boss favors her or the boss favors him. So if that is the case, this message is for you. And again, this message is deep, like yesterday's one. So hi, this is Vachhani. We are on October 26. We are reading from the book called Trust Life by Louise Hay. Let us see. I'm a shining light. If you affirm this, you will shine your light on any darkness inside you. Competition and comparison are two major stumbling blocks to your creativity. Your uniqueness sets you apart from all others. There has never been another person like you since time began. So what is there to compare and compete with? Comparison makes you feel either superior or inferior, which are expressions of your ego, your limited mind thinking. If you are going to compare to make yourself feel a little bit better, then you're saying somebody else isn't good enough. If you put others down, you may think you will raise yourself up. What you really do is put yourself in a position to be criticized by others. We all do this on some level. And it's good when we can transcend it. Becoming enlightened is to go within and shine the light on yourself so you can dissolve whatever darkness is in there. Everything changes, and what was perfect for you once may not be anymore. In order for you to keep changing and growing, you keep going within and listening for that which is right for you in the here and now. So it's always about what is right for you now, than to see what is right for others and situations, comparing with others or competing with others, thinking that if he's doing that, I should do this to prove myself right. That's very deep. You need to be very, very honest to check what's happening. And if it is coming from the space of comparison and competition, very rightly she said, it's a mind game. It's an ego game. It is not allowing your higher self to shine or higher self to bring the best the way you're born with. So reflect upon it and maybe you write it down. Why am I comparing? Whom am I competing with? And if you need any help, sign up for a self-love coaching program and maybe sign up for a discovery call so that you discover your inner light. Okay? Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.